Valentine Day recipe that you have requested in my Jamaican kitchen. Fast, easy, and simple. I'm going to share with you how to make a fast, quick, and easy, cheap way to make a really pretty, tasty dessert pie your table in a minute. Alright? If you're new watching my channel for the very first time, be sure to subscribe, y'all. Be sure to turn on your notification settings so you will always be aware of whenever your girl upload a brand new video. Alright, you want me to sit on me hold up the one here? Come on and let's get started.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but you owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Okay, Goodie, let's get right into the recipe and all the things we are going to need to make this wicked Valentine Day dessert for the honey bunny, right? Now you're going to need, of course you're going to need rice because rice is the main event for the recipe. 1 cup of cooked white rice only right there. You're also going to need a cup of heavy cream. Also you'll need some kind of a whipped topping to finish off the recipe. You're also going to need syrup. Red is my choice because I read a Valentine Day, right? Cherry is a must to it. Food coloring also. All the amount for the recipe list is down below, okay? Now you're gonna need some kind of a nutmeg, sour cream. You also need cornstarch to thicken it up. 2 tablespoons of white sugar only. Salt, cinnamon powder, and vanilla. That is all that you need for the recipe. And again, all the amount for the recipe will be listed down below. Let's put this all together. Now, the very first thing that I'm going to do here is add the cornstarch into the 1 cup of heavy cream. And just mix this all together. Then you want to go ahead and pour it out into the pot. Then you add your rice to it. Then you add your sour cream. You want to add your sugar and some salt to add flavor, nutmeg, and cinnamon powder. You're also going to add your vanilla. Mix this together and allow it to come to a nice little consistency. If that make any sense. Thicken up, right? Let the thing get thick is what I'm saying. Now y'all, after it thickens up and look pretty much like that, if you like, you could add more cornstarch to make it a little bit more thicker, right? But remember, when it cools, it's gonna come together real nice. Now to that, you wanna go ahead and add your food coloring. You have to decide how red you want yours. Me want mine nice and red. So be generous with the food coloring. Very fast, easy, and simple to make. In minutes. There you go, Goodie, on the table in no time. A fast, quick, and easy way how to make a nice Valentine Day dessert that you have requested in my Jamaican kitchen. Subscribe, like, and share. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.